Oi! What's crack-lacking on the underground? This is Electric Lexi with your gig guide. First up, Dit wil tel facing the gallows in show and tell se nasionale tour. Skop af die 20ste Julie. Check online for more details. Next up, we've got Wilderness King and Yes Sir Mr. Machine at Mercury Lounge in Cape Town, 20th of July. You can check out Welcome the Destroyer with Bringing a Shark to a Gunfight, Poverty of Ideals and Choking Heartbeat, 21st of July at the Black Dahlia in Boksburg. And let us not forget the Metal for Africa Winterfest at Klein Libertas Theatre in Cape Town, taking place from the 28th to the 29th of July. Awesome bands like Impalement Theory, Syndulgence, and Axon. And that's that. Don't forget to go and like my page on Facebook where you can post your event links on my wall. That's it for now. This is Lexi, out.